how to save a photo in picture gallery as a PDF documents on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, click on Picture. After click on Picture, click on this three dot icon and click on Print. After click on Print, click on this PDF icon and select folder and click on Done. Click on My Files app, click on Folder and add to Notes. So click Open Keyboard. And click on go back, so you will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can save a photo in picture gallery as a PDF document on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.